So let's just get rid of that drawing there. This video, this simulation that's loading up here, this is looking at something called refraction. Okay, so I'm just going to, it's called bending light, but to be honest, it would work with any wave. Any wave does this, but we're going to look at light. The process, the thing that we're going to see happen is called refraction, and it's when waves change direction. Okay, so well, specifically, so waves change direction. Waves change direction as they go through different materials. And these materials can be called mediums. There's a lot of well, two main words in waves that confuse people. There's the word medium, which is the material that the wave is traveling through, and there's the word normal, which is a dotted line. We'll look at the normal right away. In fact, this dotted line is called the normal, and the reason why it's called the normal is it's if I shine a ray of light, then it's the point at which the ray of light is about to try to go into this is water down at the bottom here, and this is air at the top. So you can see it says air there. So this is air, and this is water. And this point here, this is the point at which the wave is entering the water, and the line here is the we can call it the interface between the air and the water. And you draw a right angle, and then you draw a dotted line, and this dotted line is called the normal. Okay, and this is quite a good simulation because we get to look at reflection and refraction. So we can see there's the light's coming from here, so we can draw a ray of light there, and it bounces off the surface of the water and goes up there. If we look at this, if we look at the angles here, just by clicking on, I should be able to move that. Oh, I can't do it there. I need to look at, let's go to more tools. I'll turn this back onto water and turn it on again. Okay, I'm going to just erase this bit now. So yeah, that's the normal there. And if we turn the angles on, we will see that that angle and that angle are always the same. Whatever I do, I change it, it's always the same. Now that's called the law of reflection. The law of reflection states that this angle here is always the same as that angle, and this angle is called the incident angle. The incident angle, or you can call it the angle of incidence if you like. And this is called the reflection angle, or the angle of reflection maybe. Angle of reflection. Now, because we have also this refraction, the light changing direction as it goes into the water, we can call this one the angle of refraction. And of course, this is not the same because the light changed direction as it went through. You'll notice that it's changed direction in a particular direction. It's changed. So in other words, it's changed direction in a particular direction. That doesn't make any sense. And what I'm trying to say is that if this was air to, if there was no change in medium, it would go in a straight line. But because there is, it goes more dense. That ray of light moved towards this normal here. So the normal goes down there, and if there was no change in medium, and there would be no reflection either, then it goes in a straight line. But that change in medium to water causes the ray to move towards the normal. That's if it's going from a high density to low density. So other way around, sorry, low density to high density. So air is low density, very light, and water is high density, much heavier. So we all know that water's heavier than air, of course. So that's refraction